barbaric, brutal, bruising. Women deserve better. These are the words that women are using to describe how they feel about mammograms. And if these comments aren't coming up in your surveys, your patient satisfaction dashboard is lying to you. Not that long ago, I had a diagnostic mammogram, and it was the most painful mammogram I'd ever had. So much to where I cried. And after my test, my mom and I went to breakfast, and I don't know, one of us ordered some pancakes. The pancakes got to the table, and I looked at them and I said, Mom, I feel like I got smashed as flat as those pancakes. That's how much it hurt. So that night I was thinking about my experience, and I think I was thinking about it a little more deeply because I've spent the better part of my career in hospital systems and healthcare. So I was feeling a little restless, and I decided to post a video about how I felt. It was a 6-second AI-generated video of a pancake being smashed in a mammography machine. And very simply, the headline read, POV, diagnostic mammograms. That was it. I thought I would get a few comments, a few likes, but never did I think that that evening, hundreds and hundreds of comments, 700 to be exact, came through on that video with almost 600,000 views. Women said things like, I didn't know it would hurt that much. They told me it was just a little pressure. I'm never going back. A few nights later, I posted another one. This time it was a set of plums being smashed on the mammography machine. The headline read, ladies want to know if men had their annual exam by mammogram. One of the comments that got the most likes, if men had to go through this, healthcare would have redesigned it a long time ago. However, there were some humorous comments that came through. One woman said, mammography is my nemesis. The boob squisher 3000. Another woman said, I had my first mammogram and the power went out. And I had to be manually removed from the machine. Another woman said, it's the tech manhandling my boobs like bread dough in the machine, not the machine itself. But pain, fear, and humor all in the same breath. What does that tell us? It tells us that mammograms are an emotional experience for women. Some women feel compression and radiation causes cancer. Other women think that ultrasound should be the gold standard. Misinformation? Maybe. I'm not here to argue the science of mammography, but where misinformation grows, communication fails. So what is it that your dashboards are measuring? What is it that you're paying attention to? Your dashboard might be measuring wait times, screening rates. But how many dashboards are measuring mammography fear or something in the form of, never again, I'm not going back? Thank you very much.